Hi everyone. I just wanted to give y'all an update. I'm going to talk real fast because I've got a lot to say. But we're over the virus. I'm okay. Hold on a minute. Sorry, the cat was ready to come in. But, I had it the very end of November, first part of December. So, after that, after my 2 weeks were up, everybody in the house, we decided to go to a free place where they're testing so we could all test negative so people could get back to work because like a lot of people couldn't work in the house because they was around me. So went and waited 2 hours in the car, over 2 hours. But anyway, all the tests come back negative. People was able to go back to work. And then a week after that, my daughter came home sick, very sick. She had it worse than I did. She got very sick to the point a couple of times I almost took her to the hospital. But since she's in nursing college, go to nurse, be a nurse, and working at the children's hospital, we had the monitor thing to check her oxygen and all of that. So she got real sick. So the whole month of December and the first week of January, we all spent in the house quarantine. So nobody could go back to work or anything like that. So if you're wondering why I'm still wearing a mask, just a real quick update. Until I had my dental surgery, nobody gonna see my face. So I don't mind wearing the mask now because it's rather embarrassing. Over 10 years ago, I went and had all my teeth redone. They put porcelain in it. All the porcelain has came out. Called them up. I'm just past my warranty. They won't fix it. It's a mess. And the insurance, it's just a total nightmare. Then the virus hit. And then here you couldn't go nowhere. And now you can go, but if you don't show any signs of the virus. Well, who don't always show signs of the virus? But anyway, that's that. That's why I have it off my nose. So the second part of our quarantine, my son got real sick too. We didn't go have him tested, so we're pretty sure he had it. Our basement, like our living room right here, it's open. You just go downstairs, turn, there's my son's room, and then there's another room, and then a huge room downstairs. He lives down in this part. I rarely go up and down the steps because of my knees and all that. So, anyway, he kept saying my carpet's getting wet. And I was noticing in here, in this room behind me, my crafting room, laundry room, and all that junk room, that it was starting to get wet. So, when me and Richard went downstairs to start, because like I say, he was sick, and moving stuff, we saw the evidence. So it's this wall that goes straight downstairs, growing that far up, like his bed and all was covering it, that far up the wall. We're like, So, me and my husband came in here, where the water pipe runs up and through here. We took that baseboard off, and a slow water leak in a pipe that we went in, we uncovered it. The main electrical wire was sitting on top of it. So anyway, we've called the insurance company. This has been a complete nightmare. The whole downstairs has got to be redone. In there's got to be redone. They're not sure about this wall right here and in here. So it's like a nightmare. It's like for like a whole week, they'd send these people. They'd come spend about an hour, tell you what they's going to do. As soon as they left, another car was pulling up. We'd basically do the same thing. It's been a nightmare. So on January the 6th, when they were here, they set up these big dehumidifiers that's like this tall, that's got the air purifier on it too. So that's been running there and there. Our house is so dry, like even when I touch the cats, it's like, So, and that don't help with the sinuses and all that that's going on. But since then, like, we ain't heard from them. And today is the 26th. So, like 20 days. And so we keep calling them. Oh, we're trying to get the price on the pack out. Well, we done told them for the pack out, we don't want you taking our stuff off somewhere. You can get one of those storage pods, set it on our property, pack it out, put it in there. We'll help because, now they're going to cover the mold. Now they're not going to cover the mold. Now they're going to cover this. It's like a huge nightmare. And so, like, every day, like, I'm going to alert who might be coming and pulling up, who might not be, and all of that. So, for the past week, we've been calling, and they have my number too. Then all of a sudden, Richard texts me from work and says, evidently they called me, and I didn't hear my phone because, he's at work. He's the manager. He's in the back. He can't hear his phone half the time. He said they're going to show up and start packing out. No, they're not. We haven't heard from them. They were supposed to warn us. Where's the storage pod? Where's this? We haven't heard from you. We don't know. We keep telling them we're not gonna, we'll work with you, but I don't want to get $1 million bill either. So he said, I keep trying to call them back, and they keep claiming they can't hear me. I'm like, well, walk outside. He said, I am, and they keep claiming they can't hear me. I said, well, get this fixed. About that time, somebody comes knocking on the door. I'm so-and-so. I'm here to start packing up. I'm like, y'all talk to my husband? Yeah, he just needs to call our office. So I said, just hang on a minute. As soon as I called Ricky up, he said she should be getting a phone call to leave here in just about a second. About that time, her phone rings. This has been a nightmare. I mean, a total nightmare. So I really can't clean. Like, we're just like... I just tell everybody I'm just shuffling, to make it look nice. So now we got to go pack out this room. I'm trying to get laundry done because, like, wash and dry and everything's got to go. I was in the middle of washing sheets now. And got to find new furniture and got to find this and got to get that, because, like, all of my son's stuff is ruined. Bed, even where his TV was plugged in. And that leak, it's totally messed up. I mean, and dealing with the insurance company is a nightmare sometimes. So, that's kind of where I'm at. And, and so I don't want to be sitting down here trying to work on a video and they go to hollering, oh, we got to cut the power off, because that's how it's been. Like, we got to cut the power off. Okay, the power will be off for 2 hours, then they'll cut it back on. And now we're discovering since that, and it was sitting on a main electrical cable, like I went to plug in the toaster and the lights went out. So, because all of this is like connected. So all the electrical's having to get changed out, and like I say, it's a total nightmare. And so when they come, I have to wrangle up all the cats, put them in my room. Like, I can't put them in Richard's room, because Richard cat lives in there. And I don't know if I told the story. We'll leave his door open, and that cat loves Richard so much. It's huge, but it is the biggest fraidy cat. I'll bring him in here and show you how big this cat is. Like, if I bring him out, he's gonna go running back in Richard's room. He don't want to be around. He's just happy where he's at. So I'll put them all in my room where they can open the door. So I have to put them in there, take a rope, tie it around something else, because you hear them in there just trying to get the door open. I mean, this is a total nightmare. I said, I'm about ready just to say, forget it. We're wanting to move. We've been talking about moving anyway before this happened. We originally bought this house 23 years ago as our starter home when we was moving from Alabama back here. So, anyway, this is just a nightmare. And so it's kind of hard to cook too, because, power's going out for a while. So, I do have a broccoli and broccoli cheddar soup video that me and my daughter did while we was quarantined. That I've been wanting to sit down to work on and upload, but it's like every time I do, So I'm really going to try to work on it too. So just know if you see some videos popping up, that's when I've had a chance to do them, and those were filmed probably back in December. So, anyway, I keep saying things will get back to normal soon. I don't know when they will. So, just bear with me. I have a lot of ideas, and Like that Butterfinger video I did. I just happened to do that on the weekend. My husband's begging me to make more. He ate the whole thing, and then my son, he keeps eating them too. So pretty much I stay here. I don't go nowhere because of people in and out. You know, and now they're coming in and out. And they'll call and they'll say stay home, we may just show up. So like we just been sitting here. It is a nightmare. So anyway, that's kind of where we're at. And then I'm trying to get into the dentist. Total nightmare. So anyway, I hope all of y'all are safe. Right now, it's like going through our whole family. The sickness is like crazy and everything. So I hear that it's kind of wild and going around. So I hope everybody stays safe. And hopefully I can find some time to sit down and get some work done. So anyway, I know this video is long. I don't want it to be long. Love you all. I thank you all for your support. You really mean a lot to me, and I really appreciate it so much. My son has, he's been on Twitch, I think it is. Anyway, he's a gamer and been doing that, and I think he's slowly putting some videos on YouTube. I'll leave a link to his channel if you want to check him out. And like me and him's been doing TikTok. You might be shocked at some of my content on TikTok, but oh well. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for your love and support. And hopefully I can get some videos up soon. Bye, y'all. Okay, I forgot to show you my husband's cat. I'm going to show you my cats. This is about their size. This is Grayson. So see, normal adult cat. It's almost all I can do to hold him. He's so heavy. Here he is, look. Look how big he is. Usually when I bring him out to show people, people get scared. Now, let me show you his sister, Flank. Now, this is Sam's sister, Flank. She's just normal size, see? Okay, see? This is my son's cat. Alrighty, just wanted to show y'all the babies. Bye, y'all.